My sister and her husband have officially purchased the house next door to us, and the family compound is expanding, but there are a couple of catches. One, they actually never set foot inside the house until after they had already made an offer. We really expected that there were going to be some things that needed to be updated and some new features, but we might have gotten ourselves in a little over our heads. And the second thing is, the couple that they bought it from had lived there for over 40 years. And as part of the negotiations, they said they would allow them to continue living there for 4 months after they purchased it, so they could get the money out of the house so they could go to their next location, which was actually putting a modular home on their daughter's property and creating their own family compound, which is pretty interesting. But nonetheless, my sister and her family have been living in our 1-bedroom cottage house, which was supposed to be 5 weeks, and now we are here at 15 months. So now, after 4 months of owning the house, they are finally getting in, and we are going to try to demo it all ourselves to help save them the money and see what we can actually salvage and what just has to go. It is an incredibly exciting day. I am walking over to my sister's house. Yes, walking, because she bought the house right behind us. And today is day 1 of the demo. So excited. My dad's coming. We're gonna start with ripping up some carpet. Got great news back that the ceilings don't have asbestos. So we're all in, we're locked in, we're ready to do this.
Hey.
The man is here. Demolition Joe. Start tearing up the carpet. All right, the first order of business is tearing up all of this old gross carpet. The house smells. It just smells. That's partly because it's old. It's partly because these carpets are yucky and dirty. So getting these carpets out of here, number 1, pulling them up. We were praying that there were hardwoods underneath these in the bedroom because there's hardwood in the living room, but not so much luck. So I think her plan is going to put LVP in here. So right now we're getting these all up. We're gonna take the baseboards off. We're gonna chuck this stuff and get the floors prepped for the new floor. Then next, after all the carpet, focus on the ceilings and painting. Say hello to YouTube, Miguel.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
All right, we're on to about day 3 of demoing. And I just walked over here. My dad, my brother-in-law are tackling the rest of the floors. I'm about to go put on my boots and some work clothes. I'm gonna come out and we're gonna try to get the kitchen cabinets down today, because the goal is to handle most of the demo ourselves. That way my contractor Juan can come in and help just put in the cabinets. Say hello. What do you think about your cousins living next door? Why is it pouty face? But excited to get started today. It's a long weekend, so trying to get as much done over the long weekend that we can. I am standing in the kitchen of the 1970s house that we are renovating for my sister, and today is demo day on the kitchen. We're currently searching for the main water shutoff at the street level because the one inside the house looks so rusted that my brother-in-law is afraid if we touch it, it's gonna bust, which we don't wanna do that. So We're looking for that main water shut off right now. We got my dad here. I've got a little bit of time that I can help, but this wall behind us is going. All the cabinetry going. Isn't that yellow beautiful? All of this going. Original to the house. This house was built in 1974. It's 51 years old. All that going. All that going. Look, we pulled up the floor over here. Water damage. These windows, something's coming in from here, so we gotta figure out what that is. It's cool though, you can look and see the original linoleum that was from 1974 is still under this linoleum. It's actually really pretty. My sister was saying she might take pieces of it and make some artwork, which would be pretty cool. But I'm excited to get in here and start demoing away. Let's do it. Demo Joe is here. Oh, we're getting the cabinets off.
We're getting everything off.
Wow, I'll come help you. The kids just got back from tutoring. Look at this. Man, what a difference just getting up.
Try to find small lugs.
Oh, what a difference just getting all that
Oh my goodness.
carpet
I
up.
feel like it's interesting how you can see more potential and some things more bare.
Here we go, Dad. What are we doing? Taking out the dishwasher. Demo Joe. These guys.
Hey!
Awesome. I love it.
Good.
But it's absolutely necessary. But it's absolutely necessary.
Oh, that feels good. So satisfying. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're getting this backsplash off. It just really, that came off nicely in one piece. Yes. All right, boys are back from lunch. This is what I got done. Yeah, leave it open, wait, let us wait. Yeah!
Who be that man?
Okay, my sister is walking over. She has not seen the kitchen since we have demolished it. Look how much we got done. I'm pretty dang impressed. Demolition Joe has done some amazing work. Look at that, it's so open now. Come see. Come see. Come see what we have done. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Come on in, baby.
Oh my goodness.
There's a hole in the wall, Lauren.
There's a big old hole in the wall.
I
Just look at it.
told him, don't do it. Don't do
it and you cut the overtime.
Disgusting, but amazing.
Disgusting, but amazing.
Amazing.
Like, so gross, but man, look how open it is.
So much room for activities.
So much room for activities.
All the cooking activities that I do.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing.
Wow.
On that note, I'm done for the day. Looks amazing. Stay tuned. Catch us on the next one. And I'm excited because today is the day that I get to demo this lovely green bathroom that is a time capsule from 1970s. So we're gonna gut it. This is saving us a ton of money doing this ourselves because usually someone's gonna charge you like thousands of dollars to gut it. So we've made sure the water's off. We're gonna be careful, make sure we don't bust pipes. We're gonna get after this today. I'm excited. I'm super excited today. I get to demo the bathroom. We did not know what we were up against with that bathroom wall. Holy moly. I thought it was gonna be just against some drywall or some thin dirt rock. What they used in the 70s is like this thick concrete. It was not coming off. We finally just smashed it. We tried several different things. My dad came in with like a circular blade, crazy. You can come in, my sister's here. But we're gonna have to call it a day right now on that. It took me about 2 hours to get one wall. But now I feel like since we got that wall, it's gonna be easy to get the other sides off.
Yeah,
We just leverage it. Oh my goodness.
She's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't like not move that.
Okay. This is the most exciting thing to happen to me in a while. We're getting ready to walk over and see my sister's house because they took down the wall. They took down the wall. I'm so excited. This might be the most exciting thing to happen to us in a while.
In a very, very, very long time.
We are going to see the wall that has been taken down. Have you seen it yet?
No, not in person. And if you remember, this wall, I didn't think it was gonna happen.
She hasn't seen the wall yet.
Haven't seen it yet.
This is the most exciting thing to happen in a long time.
Yes, this is we wanted most.
This is almost 40 when you're so excited about a wall coming down. Like this is the highlight of everything.
I'm getting
lately.
close to 40.
Me, I'm closer to 40. Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yeah, that's
Oh my goodness. So they had to put up this huge support beam. What are we gonna do with that? Are you gonna drywall that beam?
You know what? I've seen where you can almost like wrap it and it looks like a post, but I think one sort of drywall it. I don't know.
I think drywalling wouldn't look bad. You could paint over it. Well, you could gel stay. I mean, it's just that you've got just covering this up, but I don't know, maybe you leave it exposed and paint it to look like wood. Wow, what a difference. So open. All the drywall, literally like almost every drywall, that paneling that was here has been taken out. Primary bedroom, took all that wall and nasty insulation out. Still gotta get back to the, oh wow, the whole bathroom's gone. Holy smokes. I was gonna finish that. They've done the work for me. Holy mo, look at this floor though. Look at the floor, look at this. It's probably a good thing my sister didn't realize that this was going to turn into a complete gut job because they probably would have been scared off and they probably would have run. But what they were able to purchase this house for is still an amazing deal because literally up the street, someone has paid $50,000 more and they tore the house down. So the good news is they already have a great investment. The bad news is this house is a complete gut job. They didn't anticipate ripping out every single piece of sheetrock. They didn't anticipate replacing all of the insulation, all of the floors, all of the HVAC system. But once we started opening stuff up, you could just see the years of neglect and mold. And sometimes, honestly, it's a lot easier to do this stuff with the walls open than after the fact, and saves you a lot of money. So my contractor, Juan, who's incredible, is gonna take it from here. He's gonna rebuild this house, but that means that they're going to be in the cottage for probably another 3 to 6 months. Oh, Gabriel, let's see. Wow. Whoa, look at that arch. Look at the mud room. Mud room. Oh, this laundry room. Smells so good in here now. All the walls are gone.
Wow.
Wow. Even the closet walls, wow.
Here, see behind you. All the walls.
Oh my gosh, all the walls.
Literally taking
All the walls. All the walls are gone. Wow.
This is gonna be a brand new house.
Brand new house.